Have a good weekend, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, ready?
Good morning. This is Chief Chris Butler. The victim in this case is William Tucker, black male, 23. The suspect in this case is K. Ron Ritchie, black male, 18. He does not have any criminal history. On Monday, May 18th at 10:18 p.m., police officers were dispatched to the 7400 block of La Ventura Drive South in reference to a person shot. When police officers arrived, they discovered the victim suffering from multiple gunshot wounds in the backyard of this abandoned house. Homicide Team 1 responded and conducted their investigation. Their investigation revealed the following. The suspect and victim were co-workers at a nearby fast food restaurant, and on occasion the victim would sell a small amount of marijuana to the suspect. Prior to this shooting, the suspect had telephoned the victim, made arrangements again to buy a small amount of marijuana, then met in the backyard of this abandoned house. We have video surveillance evidence which shows the suspect hopping over the fence and then hopping back over the fence, dropping money along the way. Initially on the 20th, we did interview the suspect. He pretty much admitted everything up to shooting, said that after he had left, he heard gunshots and wasn't responsible for the murder. A couple days later, we ended up getting some cell phone records from the suspect. After they were analyzed, we discovered that he had posted, and I think the arrest and booking report should be very descriptive on what happened. He had posted an image of the handgun and asked another person to see if he could sell the gun because he had used the handgun. He was arrested on the 24th and charged with murder and armed robbery, and I'll take any questions that you might have.
Chief, how helpful were the cell phone records and the surveillance video? It seems like that really made your case.
Yes, it did. The surveillance video, as I explained, he is seen hopping over the fence and then coming back over the fence, as well as dropping money, which we did recover at the scene. In addition to the cell phone records, I mean that was a big break because we had interviewed him a couple days after the incident, and then after we got the cell phone records, it pretty much implicated what he did.
And did this video come from a camera on a nearby house or business or property? Where did it come from?
It was from a nearby business.
Any chance we can see it?
I think you might be able to make a public records request. I'm not sure if it's releasable at this time or not, but that'll be something for us to, as far as through a public records request, we'd have to determine that.
Was there something different about this drug deal? If they had done business together before, did something happen in this instance that caused the gunfire?
I don't have that information. I'm not aware of anything that led up to this. It seemed to be something that they did occasionally.
Did he explain maybe why he shot him, or was it a disagreement perhaps?
No, I don't know his motivation behind why he did this. To us, I mean, it's pretty much just straight up. It's a setup. He shoots him and steals money. It's a robbery.
I know you said they don't have any criminal history, either of the two, or arrests.
The suspect, he's got one juvenile arrest. I didn't even look to see what that was. Does not have any local adult criminal histories. I didn't check the victim, so I don't know that.
And I guess, I mean, he was just selling drugs at work, just marijuana, just kind of a...
Yeah, I'm hesitant to describe him as far as being somebody who is a drug dealer. Obviously, the victim was employed. The suspect was employed. This would be an occasional meet that they would do small sales.
Anything else?
Okay, thank you.